Hey there mga my loves, Capricorn! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan mga babes, no, our content for today is we're gonna take a look at your November 2023. Pero syempre bago yan, no, reminders na hindi ito para sa lahat. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga messages na sa tingin mo ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, cross-watcher. Syempre, mga welcome rin kayo mga babes, LGBTQ of course, mga mahal, no? So yan, tingnan na natin Capricorn, no, kung anong meron dito for you guys for the month of November 2023. Spirits and angel guides of Angel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for Capricorn for the month of November 2023? Capricorn November 2023, please. Capricorn November 2023, please. Capricorn. Okay, let's see Capricorn kung ano bang meron dito for you guys for November 2023. Capricorn, you have here the love affair. Oh, dirty little secret down low. Ika-clarify natin yan mga babes, no? Kasi meron din namang mga connecting energy sa inyo. So, kayo mag-fret. At saka sa mga singles, mga babes, no? Yan. Alam mo kung karelasyon Marian, ay Marian, binanggit ko tuloy yung pangalan ko na buo eh. Sasabihin ko sana, miss niya. Alam mo kung karelasyon miss yan na. Ba't may love affair yan, no? So, yeah, mga babes, natingnan natin, no? Kung ito ba, kasi, timeless ito, no? At may prediction dito. So, iba, pwedeng tapos na yan sa inyo, mga mahal, no? So, yung iba naman, pwedeng hindi kayo yan. So, alamin natin yan. Okay? So, mamaya kaklarify natin yan. You also have here Capricorn, the negotiator, bargaining, begging right here. So, yan. Mukhang meron dito makikipag-negotiate sa inyo para hindi kayo kumanta. Alamin natin yan, no? Kung ano yan, no? And also, you've got right here the children. So, maaring meron ditong single mom or single dad or baka may bata ritong involved. Pero doesn't have to be na negative. Let's find out kung ano yan, no? At ang connected here with this another message, we've got the divine feminine right here. So, someone here, okay, mukhang para sa iba, ito ay parang pwedeng young at age or younger than you by age but doesn't have to be ageless kasi ang tarot readings Capricorn na person nakikita ko rito, pwede kasing ito ay young looking, okay, compared sa age niya. Pwede rin naman hindi kayo nagkakalayo ng age, no? Pero meron siya ditong playful vibe. Hindi siya yung mahilig maglaro, no, ng feelings and emotions. Pero this playful vibe means this person is a happy person. This person is funny, pwedeng madalas mag-jokes. Basta there's a lot of positivity sa kanya. So, ika-clarify pa naman natin yan. So, simulan na natin i-clarify no, paano mula ni agam-agam. Sa isip ng mga may relationship dyan, kung kayo ba yan or hindi. So, why is love affair here? So, mukhang may mabubunyag kasi nakita ko yung sun. There's clarity. At mukhang ngayong month ng November yon, clarity of truth. Katotohanan, it is Ace of Swords energy. Nakakuha ko ng energy yung bait-baitan. Baka may nagpapanggap na mabait sa inyo. Or baka third party to na nagpapanggap na mabait. Yung parang kala mo, victim yon, victim pa victim. Ano ba tong truth na to na malapit ng mabunyag? Kasi nakita ko yung 8 of Wands. Isa yun sa fastest energy in the tarot. So, ibig sabihin, baka nga alam na ito ng iba kasi timeless ito. Pero maaaring yung iba, malaman nyo ito on the month of November. So, love affair is being clarified by this Knight of Swords energy. See fast it is, no? The star is right here and at the bottom of the deck. We have here the Wheel of Fortune followed by the Ace of Swords again. So yeah, definitely oras na para lumabas ang katotohanan with the Wheel of Fortune right here. Yeah, with the Knight of Swords and the star looks like meron ditong magsasabi. And it will be unexpected. But there's healing in here. So kung kayo to na na-involve sa isang third party situation before, I can see you healing already. Yeah. So whatever the case may be, I think meron pa ritong dagdag na information about what it is that you know. I think you will know something pa, further information tungkol dun sa nalaman ninyo about a love affair right here. So sa iba, mga babes, no, pwedeng yan yung pinagdaanan ninyo before, no, pero sa iba, I think meron kayo ritong malalaman about a love affair of someone here at mukhang may magbabalita at magchichismis sa inyo. Could be someone who is a friend, someone you know right here. Okay? But whatever the case may be, with the healing right here, kung sino man yon, if it's not you, I'm seeing right here that that person will find healing. Kasi parang ang tagal na nito na nangyayari. No? Parang meron siyang kilala rito, no, na bait-baitan, yung parang mukha ni Princess Sarah, no, na parang di makabasag pinggan dito, no, pero yun pala, no, siya pala yung third party. So just take how this resonates, kasi this could be a friend. Actually, I'm not getting na kayo to. Parang this is you, na kayo yung makakaalam ng isang news about a friend at oras na para malaman ito kasi parang bulag-bulagan yung friend mo or either hindi niya ito nalalaman. So parang ikaw yung magiging daan or bridge rito para sa katotohanan. But the challenge here is that how can you tell this friend right here that his or her partner is having a love affair with someone else? Maybe this is on the month of November, you will choose yung mga parang hindi naman sa magpa-practice ka, pero iisipin mo rito yung paano mo ba sasabihin sa kanya rito na parang bago mo tapusin yung pagbabalita na yan is magagaan pa rin yung pakiramdam niya. So you could be likely choosing healing words para i-end yung sasabihin mo na revelation right here. So whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that this could be someone here you know, someone close to you, someone close to your heart. Kaya nakikita ko nagiging maingat ka kung paano mo rito, mga babes, sasabihin sa kanya, no? Kasi parang feeling ko ikaw yung makakaalam or either hindi ikaw yung makakaalam pero malalaman mo, no, sa isa mong friend or sa someone that you know. Yan, either dyan. So whatever the case may be, this will be hard for that close friend or close person to you, but you know that your friend or your close kung sino man to, no, deserve the truth. Kinukuha ko dito. Of course, everybody deserves the truth. Pero alam mo, nakuha ko dito ng energy. Para sa iba, kung nangyari na to sa inyo, yung third party na naging third party, I mean yung third, yung third party na ng agaw ng inyong person in the past na nakikita ko dito, is someone close to you. Like, wala ka talagang idea na siya yung person. Like, nalaman mo lang kasi binalita sa'yo na yung naging na yung ka-relationship ng person mo, parang ganito yung nangyari. Pinatagal pa. Hindi namin kung sino yung someone else. Pero nakakita ng maaring social media posts or social media status, no? Tapos, yun pala yun. Parehas na kilala kayong dalawa at yung nagsabi nun, no, is yun nga. At ang reason ng hiwalayan ay walang iba kundi yung friend mo. Yan. Diba? Mm-hmm. Lagay natin to dito, babe. I-clarify na natin tong negotiator. Sino ba tong... Ito ba yung person na bait-baitan dito, na malalaman dito na alam mo, kaya susuhulan ka? 3 bilyong 3 cents. Huwag ka lang magsalita. Ayan, no? So, sino ba ito makikipag-negotiate sa inyo? Kasi nakikita ko na punong-puno siya rito ng emosyon. Pero, let's see kung connected to dito. Kasi I'm getting that kind of energy na might be this is a different situation. Let's find out. But someone here is mabiburst sa kanyang emotions and feelings. Ma-overwhelm sa kanyang emotions and feelings, Capricorn, to the point na hindi niya alam rito yung kanyang gagawin. Basta gusto niya lang rito na pagbigyan mo siya. This person will take a chance here to the point na magbebeg siya rito kasi ang gusto niya mangyari is pagbigyan mo siya. So, alamin natin kung sino siya. We have here this Six of Cups. Definitely your ex-person right here. Someone that you had history with. But I'm getting this kind of burst of emotions. So, kung sino man siya, no, pwedeng ex-lover mo siya. Six of Cups energy. This person is spying on you, no? Para siya ritong puting yan. Nakita mo? Ayun, may pusa dito. Yun, no? See, para sa ditong maamong kuting na nagtatago dyan, no, sa damuhan. So, whatever the case may be, this person could be spying on you, habang siya rito, no, ay punong-puno rito na parang gusto niya lumapit sa'yo pero hindi siya makalapit. Especially if you are connecting already with someone or kung hindi ka connecting already with someone, you look okay. Mas maganda ka ngayon, mas gwapo ka ngayon, no? Yun na nakikita niya sa'yo, okay ka na ngayon, okay? So, this person, mas lalo siya dito nasasaktan kasi okay ka ngayon na wala siya. Yun ang nakukuha ko rito, Capricorn. Kaya kung sino man siya, no, Six of Cups together with this Two of Wands energy, see? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Gusto niyang lumapit pero may pagdadalawang isip kasi nga, parang to the point na wala na siya, hindi mo na siya welcome, hindi mo na siya wini-welcome dito at the bottom of the deck. See, sabi ko sa inyo eh, begging, 'di ba? Begging, negotiating with this Nine of Wands energy together with this, see, a lot of passion, a lot of emotions, a lot of bursting of feelings for you guys, no? To the point that with the Nine of Wands energy, nakakapagod yung maramdaman yung ganitong klase ng energy na parang lugmok siya, di niya alam yung gagawin, pero nakikita ko siyang lalapit at magmamakaawa sa'yo. Ang gusto niya mangyari, bigyan mo siya ulit rito ng chance. Kung sino man tong ex mo na to, no, or someone from the past that you had history with, I'm getting romantically kasi grabe yung emotions na pinapakita niya. So, nagdadalawang isip siya. Yeah, natatakot siya sa rejection mo, pero alam mo yung mas nakakatakot na nakikita ka niya na kaya mo palang wala siya. Sino ka dyan? Kaya mo palang wala siya. Yun yung mas nakakatakot para sa kanya. See? 'Di ba? May iba pa bang nakakatakot? Mas nakakatakot pa yun kaysa kay Danan. 'Di ba? Kay Balak. Diba? Yan. So, ayun nga, may balak siya. Ang lumapit sa'yo, pero iisa lang yung gusto niya. So, maaaring kulitin ka niya on the month of November. Kasi gusto niya rito humingi ng isang chance with you, Capricorn. Yeah, whether you're connecting here with someone new, pwede yun. Kasi nakikita ko kayong happy rito. Pero yun nga, no, pwede kasi nag-enjoy lang kayo with yourself. Yeah, no, you just love yourself. You just do the things that you like or love to do. Yun nakukuha ko sa inyo. Okay? So now let's clarify these children. And there's this divine feminine right here. Wait lang mga babes. Ayusin ko lang yung damit ko. Okay, ayos na. Commercial. O ngayon, i-clarify na natin tong children and divine feminine. Alam mo yung parang bumabalik ka dun sa happiness like a child. Ganun nakikita ko sa'yo, happy ka rito, no? And this is also an energy of someone here coming new into your life. Look at this. See? It's something here na tinitimpla ni universe for you. So, the universe is brewing something here, no? And it's the Two of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, no, meron ka ditong makikilala, no, na talagang mararamdaman mo yung soul-to-soul connection ninyong dalawa. So, yeah. This person will bring out that inner child of you. Masaya siya like a kid, like a happy kid right here na walang problemang may isip kapag kasama mo siya or pag magkasama kayong dalawa. Actually, it's a two-way. Parehas ninyo yung mararamdaman right here, Capricorn. So, it is being clarified by the sea, passionate nyo, beginning Ace of Wands energy. See, meron ng makapantay at mas malalampasan at may higitan pa, no, ang lahat ng mga bahid na hindi magaganda ng nakaraan. So, ibig sabihin, there is a new love popping out for you guys. And yeah, it's coming from a young vibes. So, maaaring ang young looking, pero ka-age mo lang or closer to your age. Pero maaari rin naman na young looking siya noon na pwede rin naman na hindi halata sa face niya ang kanyang age. So, whatever the case may be, Ace of Wands to the Page of Cups. This is someone here romantic. You know the classic tarot, the Page of Cups in there is someone here that is excited na hulihin yung fish sa dagat, 'di ba? At hindi niya yun kakainin for himself or herself kasi ibibigay niya yun sa kanyang crush. So, ibig sabihin, it's like falling in love for the first time ang mararamdaman ninyo rito and it's coming from both sides. So, parehas niyang ma-feel. And right at the bottom of the deck, you do not see it coming with the moon, but you will feel that kind of strong, unexplainable, that you can't resist feelings and emotions right here. So, yun nga, with the moon right here, followed by this emperor, siya na ngayon ang maghahari, no, ng yung puso dito. So, this is giving me this kind of vibe na maaaring siya ay isang Aries, but doesn't have to be. Let's not get fixed with the sign, pero kasi maaaring siya ay isang leader, isang boss type of energy, not bossy, but boss type of energy. So, pwedeng mataas yung posisyon, managerial, supervisor, someone who handles here group of people under his or her supervision. Yeah. Or baka siya ay business owner, CEO right here. Yan. Could be your boss. Yan. So whatever the case may be, this person has this touch of romantic, parang romantic gestures yung ipapakita niya sa'yo, expression of love, plus this person will eventually develop feelings for you. Guys, yun yung nakikita ko here. So, kuha pa tayo ng other information for your November 2023. What else does Capricorn needs to know for November 2023, please? Okay, let's go. You have here the nurture. Yeah. Wow. Ang ganda, guys. Alam mo yung iba, pwedeng single mom or single dad kayo, niyayakap niya talaga, no, yung pagiging motherhood, no, at fatherhood niyo sa inyong kid or sa inyong children. Like, you are showing them so much love, yan. No. Iba doesn't have to be na may anak kayo, pero I'm seeing na magiging isa kayong mabuti rito, no, na nanay at tatay sa magiging future ninyong mga anak, no, and you are someone here that will really nurture a relationship. Yeah, to the point na alagaan mo yung partner mo, yung life ninyo, yung stability ninyo together, and everything, no, para lang talaga mataguyod tong family na to. You are someone here who is embodying that kind of energy that is responsible and a very loving individual. And yeah, someone here is coming into your life with this destiny. Yeah, fortune's wheel right here. I'm picking up that there's someone here coming into your life to nurture, alagaan ka, no? Maaring ikaw tong klase ng maalaga at ikaw yung nag-aalaga sa mga friends mo, families mo right here, no? Now, it's time for you na ikaw naman yung makakatanggap dito ng kagaya at katumbas, higit pa nga, no, sa care na ibinigay mo sa mga taong love mo right here. So, wow! Let's see more. We have here this trust. Yeah, you could be meeting this person right here, like I don't know, but I'm getting na maaring one of the K-drama scenes ang maging una ninyong encounter. Yeah, marami yun mga mahal, no? Pero kasi nakita ko yung K-drama, so maaaring isa sa mga K-drama, no, na parang scene ang pwede nyo maging, kunwari ganito, anong ibig sabihin mo dun, Miss Yan? Kunwari yung example lang, no? Kasi yung nakita natin dito is yung nalaglag, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nalaglag na yun, pero sa convenience store yun, at sabay yung dinampot. So whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito na maaaring makilala mo siya like unexpected para sa inyo. Pero it's destiny bringing you together. Okay? It's like that. Very mukhang random na mukhang unexpected yung mangyayari rito. At yung iba pwedeng makilala niyo siya sa ibang bansa, no? Parang ang fresh ng vibe, ang linis, no? Tapos maaaring may winter season or may snowy season. Malamig yung klima sa lugar na yon. Doesn't have to be na sa ibang bansa kasi pwedeng dito naman sa atin ito, no? Pwede rin naman na sa Baguio or sa Tagaytay. Someone with this very cool climate to the point na may scarf or meron kayong long sleeve na susuotin, jacket it is. So, sa iba, strongly na maaling sa ibang bansa or baka taga ibang bansa siya, okay, just take out this resonates with you. But doesn't have to be okay. So, we also have here the friendship. Yeah, this is the type of connection right here na magsisimula sa friendship here. No? And it will bloom romantically. I'm seeing a lot of orangey, reddish vibe right here. So, whoever this individual is, this person is actually coming in and you will trust this process. It looks like strangers to friends, then friends to lovers. I'm seeing that you both will build this stability, this tree. Puro tree yung nakikita natin dito. So, ibig sabihin, magbibuild kayo ng something na talaga namang matatawag din yung tulungan at unity. There's home in there. So, definitely, this is the vibe of someone here that will bring this super fresh new start here for you guys. Yan, ang ganda, guys. No? Nakikita natin dito. Lagyan natin to dito. Okay, so hingi tayo ng advice. Very fresh yung vibe, no? Siguro pag kasama mo siya talagang nakakalimutan mo yung problema or pag nakasama mo na ito, kung hindi pa siya dumarating sa buhay mo, parang nakakalimutan mo yung problema, tapos ikaw to na parang mas lalong gumagaan, no? Yung lahat ng mga iniisip mo. Yan. Dahil andyan siya. Advice for Capricorn for November 2023, please. Okay, Capricorn. So, advice for you, Capricorn, is, yeah, speak your mind. So, you will meet someone here, someone new na masasabihan mo rito ng loob mo, nang nilalaman rito ng damdamin mo, mga problema mo, no? Makakatuwang at makakasama mo rito, no? And this relationship will establish this mag-a-ascend tong connection ninyo. Tatapak to, mag step up to the next level, no? Kasi ito, rooftop to eh, mga mahal eh. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you that you are each other's wish fulfillment. Dandelions yun, di ba yung ginagawa natin noon, no? Mag-wish tayo, tapos hihipan natin yan. So it looks like you are each other's wish fulfillment. So yeah, and at the bottom of the deck added message for you guys is that, another toast. So, hindi na talaga kayo rito mag-iisa at may magiging kaagapay na kayo. You will give love to each other. You will exchange the same flame of love in each other. And you do not see this coming. There you go. The moon is smiling. The moon is right here kasi dito ko to ilalagay. But I'm seeing that there are lots of unexplainable feelings and emotions that will arise here. Pero I'm seeing that you're trusting whatever it is that destiny brings you, okay, in here. So, thank you so much, Capricorn. Thank you so much, claim and receive this, mga my loves, because these are all yours. So, thank you so much. Sana ngayon love and life. Annyeong!